Creating an Amazon affiliate website. So you've made up your mind about how awesome it is to become an Amazon affiliate and have decided to take your first steps into becoming the best Amazon affiliate that you can by following up on the advice revealed in our previous videos. In this respect, you started looking for a nice niche that you would enjoy promoting and started navigating the Amazon marketplace up and down in order to find the best and most profitable products that Amazon can offer to its affiliates. But now the time has come to start tinkering with the technical aspects of getting your Amazon affiliates business up and running, and we're talking about creating your Amazon affiliate website with a few clicks. Many people would be tempted to leave this job to someone else, but in this video we're going to show you how easy it really is to set up an Amazon affiliate website on your own using popular, easy to use, and budget-friendly online tools. What are the benefits of creating an Amazon affiliate website? Amazon affiliate websites are a cost-effective and easy-to-set-up method of monetizing online content. Amazon affiliate websites offer a very straightforward way of making affiliate marketing money, unlike traditional affiliate marketing schemes that force you to use intrusive advertising that you will have to cover with your own money. Referrals from your website to Amazon.com will make you money from any purchase they make. Using the Amazon brand name is a great way to monetize the content on your site, because it will help you to reach people that are already looking for help making purchases in the Amazon marketplace. What do you need to create an Amazon affiliate website? Creating an Amazon affiliate website from scratch is a very easy process when you know how to do it. Many people have to sort that out on their own. But in this video, we're going to show step by step how to do it and where to find everything that you need in one place. Domain name. A domain name is simply a string of characters the websites use as their website addresses that you type into your web browser to access. Ideally, your domain name has to resemble your niche, and using keywords related to it to create your domain name will help your Amazon affiliate website rank on top of search engine query results. To get your domain name, you have to buy it from a domain vendor. We recommend you to use HostGator.com because you will also be able to buy everything else you need to create your Amazon affiliate website from there. Start by going to the Domains tab and type your domain name in the Choose Your New Web Address bar and click on Search to check its availability. Once you find a good domain name available, add it to your cart and buy it before someone else does. Hosting. Awesome! Now that you have a great domain name, you need hosting for your website. Hosting service is space on an internet server to upload your website and make it available to visitors from around the world. You can buy excellent hosting service from HostGator.com. Go to the Web Hosting tab where you will find 3 different hosting plans available: Hatchling Plan, Baby Plan, and Business Plan. We recommend you select the Baby Plan. This one will give you more for your Amazon affiliate business because it will allow you to use it for unlimited domains, to use one-click installs, and unmetered bandwidth. Click on Sign Up Now to check out and get ready to start building your Amazon affiliate website in the following step. Website Builder. You will need a website builder in order to create your Amazon affiliate website the fastest way. Luckily, HostGator provides a nice selection of website builders for you to choose from. Simply log into your HostGator cPanel after you buy your hosting plan to install your website builder. WordPress is our website builder of choice, as well as the choice of a million other Amazon affiliates, because it's very easy to use and allows for simple yet powerful customization for your Amazon affiliate websites. You can easily install WordPress on your Amazon affiliate website from your HostGator cPanel by clicking on WordPress One-Click Installation. Once you do, you will be asked to enter your site setup information. First, you have to select a domain from your domain list in the Select Domain for Installation menu, and then enter the name of your site's directory in the field next to the domain menu and click on Next. Now you have to enter your admin info. Start by entering the name of your site in blog title, and then your admin username in admin user, which is the username that you will use to log into your WordPress site as the administrator. Now enter your first name and your last name. Lastly, enter your admin email, which will be the main email address that you will use to manage your Amazon affiliate site. Once you enter all your information, check the Terms of Service Agreement box and click on Install. A progress bar at the top of the screen will let you know the progress of your WordPress installation. The installation complete message will appear on top once WordPress is installed on your Amazon affiliate site. Here you will also have the credentials to log into your WordPress account, from where you will be able to manage your new Amazon affiliate website. Copy and save your username and your password. To log into your WordPress dashboard, simply add \wp-login.php at the end of your WordPress site URL in your web browser. Now enter your username, your password, and click on Login to log into your new WordPress dashboard for the first time. You are now inside your WordPress dashboard, and it's time to start setting up your site so you can later stuff it with awesome Amazon affiliate product-oriented content. Your Amazon affiliate website is bare bones the first time that you install WordPress. So the first thing that you have to do is find a nice affiliate-oriented theme for your site. You can do this by going to the Appearance tab and selecting Themes. You can look for free affiliate-oriented themes by clicking on Add New Theme. You can use the Search Themes search bar to find themes for affiliates, and we recommend to get started by installing a free theme such as the Review Gene affiliate theme, which is a widely used free theme used by many successful affiliates. Simply hover over it and click on Install and then on Activate. Now your site has been installed a nice affiliate theme that you can edit by using the Customize button. Here you can see how cool the theme looks, making it easy for visitors to find what they're looking for and then some. You can add pages for content categories by using the Pages tab in your dashboard and clicking on Add New. Here is where you will create pages to promote your affiliate content. You can enter the title of your promotional pages in the Enter Title field and the description of the page in the text field below. You can use the Add Media button to insert images and links within the content of your pages. Use the Featured Image section to insert the image that you're going to use as the main image on your pages. Once you are ready to publish a page to post product-oriented content, simply click on Publish. Now to add content to these pages, you have to use the Post tab on the left side menu. Click on Add New, and you will be taken to an editor with similar features on the Pages editor. You will have a title field to title your content posts, a text field to enter your written content, the Add Media button to insert images, videos, and links with your product posts, a format box, a categories box to select a category for your posts, and a tags box to insert tags to make it easier for people to locate your posts using keywords. Use the Publish button to publish content here as well. This is how you will be adding content to populate your Amazon affiliate website. And in our following video, we're going to show you how to create amazing content that will help you boost up your Amazon affiliate earnings.